Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. Today's video is going to be a little different. If you're new here, let me explain to you who I am. I am Kim, K-Y-M. I spell my name with a Y. I do videos pertaining to home life. I like to show you how to keep up with your home throughout the week so that you're not spending your entire weekend cleaning your home from top to bottom. Nobody has time for that, and we should be really hanging out with our families on the weekend. So this video is over the course of a few days. I cooked, I cleaned a little bit, went to several stores, and I'll show you all of that. We also had a lot of company. We had a really busy week. This week happened to be my daughter's homecoming. She's a freshman, and it was also the last football game of the season, so I will show some cheer clips as well. My oldest daughter requested smoked beef sausage and pineapple, so that's what I'm making right now. What I like to do is just put a toothpick on the sausage and the pineapple to make sure that it stays together. I also add brown sugar and a lot of pineapple juice. Oh my gosh, if you've never tried this, it's a great appetizer for any party, or if you want to make this as your meat dish with sides, it's great for that as well. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you enjoy the music and just sit back and relax. Again, I normally do videos pertaining to like cooking, cleaning, repairs, DIYs, projects, but again, I am a human. I have other things going on, so I decided to just bring you along with me. We're about to do a taste test. I would suggest if you're pulling these right out of the oven and you're going to eat it, blow on it first because the pineapple holds a lot of heat. About to go into Lowe's, my favorite store. Doesn't he look amused? I know he looks amused, girl. I love dragging my husband to stores with me, and he doesn't mind Lowe's at all whatsoever, but when I say the at-home store or Home Goods or Hobby Lobby, he ain't really feeling it, but he definitely takes one for the team. And I like the green in that pillow right there. Seeing these is a great reminder to me that I need to clean my vents off because they're quite dusty. I have that on my wall upstairs. If you ever need to email me, there's my email address. Not really sure why you would need to, but just in case you do. Check out the tree-lined street, and some of the leaves are falling too. This sunset is so beautiful. Oh, that's so pretty. Them green pillows are everything. It's interesting. Real busy. Kind of like those little things right there. See, I'm really feeling the green. I really like this. Open my eyes. Then they have pink, and it moves to like the burnt yellow. I don't like gold at all. At all.
Feel like today, let's do it again. Let's go on a date. Cause tonight I'm gonna.
Yeah, they're on their way. Now we're at the grocery store, which is actually my least favorite place to go. My husband normally does the grocery shopping. However, I wanted to pick up a few things. Separate section. And a new bottle. That's a different kind of bottle than the last one. This is what we got. I'm gonna get all these grocery items put away and then straighten up a little bit in the kitchen. Again, it's already clean. However, I just want to keep up with what we have going on. We have a house full of people. You just can't see them because they're in the living room. Listen, in my family, you have to have a proper send-off for homecoming. So my oldest daughter is trimming my youngest daughter's hair and straightening it, and all of her friends came over to send my youngest daughter off to homecoming properly. My mom and my sister came over as well, so we really have a house full right now. I don't know about you, but in our family, we do a proper send-off. When my oldest daughter was going through, you know, the prom and homecoming and all that, we did the same thing.
Yeah, I'm tongue-tied, twisted around your finger like a piece of string. I'm winded, chasing after your ghost is real exhausting. I'm in love, but I don't think it's...
For dinner tonight, I'm making lamb chops, so I'm cleaning all of those off. First, I marinated them in some vinegar and some water, cleaned them off really, really good. Now I'm trying to figure out why I came to the pantry, and then it dawned on me, girl, you need a bag. And then I'm gonna get the sink cleaned out, because anytime that you are cleaning meat, clean your sink out beforehand and then clean your sink out afterwards as well.
Could it be we never had that kiss? Well, I don't usually get like this. 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 Reminded of how I met you, tried to catch you falling. Instead I fell off myself and I just can't stop falling. These wings are gonna flap for me if I keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting.
Most coffee shops do not sell decaf cold brew, so I've been making my own decaf cold brew at home as well as my own creamer. I just put a quarter cup of the actual coffee into that little plastic container, and I also put in it, this is top secret, okay? Don't tell nobody. I use some vanilla extract as well as some almond extract. Oh, wait, listen. Thank me later if you try it. Thank me later.
Like this, get like this. Get like this. No. This bouquet is all I got. I'm dreaming, or could it be a future for you and me? She loves me, I know it's true. Or maybe I'm the fool for you. I don't usually get like this. It's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? Yeah, I don't usually get like this. Get like this. Oh, get like this. No, get like this.
In my kitchen, I cleaned off the countertops and the table with vinegar and water, and then I'm out here in my husband's car. It is the same exact day, but let me just explain. You know, I went to the game and it was 80 degrees outside, so your girl had to shower, okay? So I have different clothes on, but it is the same day. Now I'm cleaning off his windows. As you can see, there's a lot of construction going on around me. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you'll have to check out the video from last week. That way you can see all the construction. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful she looks. Okay, just a really quick clip. But I cleaned the windows off with my magic concoction, which is vinegar, isopropyl alcohol, the original Blue Dawn dish soap, as well as some water. Now we're gonna drive downtown Columbus to the 𝐓𝐇𝐈𝐒, and my daughter's gonna do a photo shoot with some of her friends. Obviously, I don't wanna put a bunch of photos in there of her friends, but I will show you at least one. And just the beautiful scenery. I was telling my husband, the grass out here look rich, okay? You'll see exactly what I mean when you see the clip of the grass.
Walking tall while you're alone. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the
Normally there's water that comes out of here, but obviously since it's October, there's no water coming out.
Go back up.
Look at this plush, rich grass. It looks like grass from Beverly Hills or something. Listen, I've been to Beverly Hills before and I know what the grass looks like, and it's absolutely beautiful, just like this grass. It's the little things for me. I find beauty in everything, and I really hope you do too. Thank you so much for being here. Please leave some teal hearts in the comments for my daughter because she just looks so beautiful in her dress. The next few videos are me trying to organize my closet, the one that I open up and everything just falls on me in my hallway downstairs. And then I need to clean my carpet as well. So back to original cleaning videos. But again, I'm a whole human and there's so much more to me than just cleaning. But I hope all of you have an amazing day, and thank you so much for watching.
might be shaken but not stirred.